Team viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at something great on Binance. We'll be looking at this great opportunity on Binance. Okay, you can do this. You don't need to possess any knowledge of trading, like any knowledge of sorting out for trading signals. You can do this right from the comfort of your home, from the comfort of your phone. Okay, but before I show you this, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. And if you have been on this channel before and you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop any amazing video of this nature, it will get to you immediately. Okay, so all you just need to do, make sure you have a verified Binance account installed on your phone. This is the Binance app. So make sure you have the Binance app, a verified one on your phone. So click on the Binance app. Okay, and make sure you have some percent of USD to use for this trading. Okay, so all you just need to do, open your Binance app. It will take you to your dashboard. Let's see what the dashboard looks like. So it will bring you to this very dashboard. Okay, if it brings you to this very place, beneath here there is home, there's market, there's trade, there's feature, there's wallet. Okay, and if you don't have a Binance account at all, don't worry, I'll be dropping some links. If you don't know how to trade as well, I'll be dropping some links under this video. Okay, so that you can use it to kind of start patching up. So all you just need to do, I advise you always go to your losers. This one are the hot ones. Okay, this one are the hot ones. Okay, you can take this meme as well. Okay, this meme is a new coin. Okay, it's a new coin, and if you buy this meme from this very point right now, there's every possibility that it will go up. Okay, so let me tell you how we do it. These strategies is what we use in cheating Binance. Okay, you can adapt to these strategies today and cheat on Binance. If there's a high low like this, if there's a very high low like this, that shows that it will soon go up soon. Okay, you can use your Bollinger Band as well to check. I'll drop you a link that shows how to use a Bollinger Band. Okay, you can see this is how it is. If you have like $50 now and you click on buy, okay, you now impute your $50 here. You now impute your $50 here. You see the volume of the meme coin that will be given to you, which is 2,127. Okay, but don't forget, the more you buy, the more you will earn. That is one thing you must know. Okay, so if you buy this here, don't worry, buy and hold. It's what we call buy and hold. If you buy it here, even if it is going down, don't sell it. Come to this place, keep watching your candlestick. Okay, you can see this. Come to this place and keep watching your candlestick. What I said, don't sell until it rises to the volume that you want. Don't sell until you make profit. You can hold for a day, you can hold for 2 days, you can hold for 3 days, you can hold for 1 week, you can hold for 2 weeks, you can even hold for a month, you can even hold for 3 months. But one thing you must know is that don't sell until you're profit. If you buy with $50, don't sell until you see 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, or even 60 before you sell. Okay, that's what we call buying and hold. On this ground, Binance cannot cheat you at all. Any trading platform cannot cheat you. Okay, you trade your spot, you hold until you make a profit. Okay, so this is the one I just actually we just impute right now. You can see it's increasing because of what? There is a high low down. Okay, there's a high low down. So this is one of the major tactics we use in purchasing coin and always making profit on Binance. Okay, on this you can turn $50 to $500 in just 1 week. On an occasion that you check carefully the coin that you need to buy. Okay, if you buy like 200, if you use $200 to buy this meme now, before you know, you can see it's going up. It's going up now. Before you know, you make a very high profit. And the moment you see that there's an increment in your profit, all you just need to do is just drop from the market. Okay, you just drop from the market. As you can see, it's increasing. It keep increasing. You can see it going up. You can see it increasing. So that is just what you just need to do to make a high profit from any trading platform. Okay, as you can see, this one is even ready to pump right away. It's ready to pump right away. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sticking with me to the end of this video. I will drop some links that show you how to trade spot, how to also create a Binance account if you do not have any, and lots more. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much as you subscribe. Thank you so much as you like. Thank you so much as you share. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.